Welcome back. In Kotlin, a range is a fundamental concept that represents an interval between two values. Ranges are typically used in various scenarios, such as looping, slicing, or defining limits, and they are a convenient way to work with a sequence of values within a specific range. Kotlin provides two types of ranges: closed ranges and half-open ranges. A closed range is defined using the two dots operator. It includes both the start and end values. For example, I can define a new range using a new variable equals to 1 to 2 dots and to 5. Defines a closed range from 1 to 5. It's used to represent a range that spans from the start value to the end value, both inclusive. The general syntax for creating a closed range is start value, 2 dots, and the end value. The range includes 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A half-open range is defined using the until function or the two dot operators in combination with the exclude end function. It includes the start value but excludes the end value. For example, val range2 equals to 1 until 5. It's often used for looping as it allows you to iterate from the start value up but not including the end value. The syntax for creating a half-open range with until is start value, until, and value. I'll print these ranges, and in order to iterate through a specific range, I need to use a for loop. So ranges in Kotlin are often used in for loops when working with collections or when defining constants for variables. For example, you can use a range to iterate over a specific range of numbers or access a portion of an array. So if I need to print a range, I in range, which is 1 to 5, I need to write like this: print ln and print I. Let me run the program, and here we go. From 1 to 5, and 5 is inclusive. If I use range 2, which is half open range, run the program, I can see it prints from 1 to 4. 5 is not included. This is the difference between until and the two dots operator. Ranges make it easier to work with a specific sequence of values within a specific interval, and they are a convenient tool for many programming tasks in Kotlin.